Welcome back again in the second part of functions of cell membrane. In the first part of function of cell membrane, I have explained you about two functions. One is selectively permeability and number two was receptors. Now in the second part I will explain about the mechanism of transportation of the materials or the molecules across the cell membrane. So as you know, the cell membrane is made up of PLP model, right? Protein lipid protein model, which I have already explained to you. Protein lipid protein model I have explained to you. So once again recapitulation, these are the lipids heads and these are the tails of the lipids, right? Lipids are present in the bilayer formation, lipid bilayer. This head, I'm showing you, these heads and these are the tails. This is one segment and this tails and this head another segment. So one layer, two layer. So lipid bilayer and proteins, integral proteins. So protein, okay, protein. These are the lipids and again protein. So PLP, protein lipid protein model. So now how this exchange of molecules are occurring. So here I am making the boundary. This boundary, this is the interior of the cell and this is the exterior of the cell. So whenever any molecule is coming in or going out, this occurs in different ways. The number one process is diffusion. Number one is diffusion, number two is osmosis, number three will be active transport. So what are these? Diffusion, DIFFUSI, diffusion, osmosis. It is quite difficult to write here, so I'm trying to write. And third is active transport, AT. So what is diffusion? This is the first question. Diffusion is the movement of molecules across the membrane from higher concentration to the lower concentration. See, here is number of molecules are more, here is less. Same molecule, here less molecules are present and here more molecules are present. So the molecules will move from higher concentration, that is exterior higher concentration, interior lower concentration. So the molecules will come from higher to the lower concentration, which is example. I can give you an example. The example can be suppose these are the oxygen molecule, okay. Red ones are the oxygen molecule and these blue ones are the carbon dioxide molecules. And uh, this interior is a cell of an alveoli of lung, lungs, alveoli, the bag like structure. So inside the cell there are carbon dioxide, and carbon dioxide denoted with the blue and oxygens are denoted with the red. So outside here also I'm drawing this, so you can easily see inside the cell carbon dioxide is more, blue one, and oxygen is less, and outside carbon dioxide is less, oxygen is more. So according to diffusion, the carbon dioxide will diffuse out to the exterior and oxygen will enter, okay. This is called as diffusion, from higher to the lower concentration.